Parrots, known for their vibrant plumage and exceptional mimicry skills, are truly fascinating birds. They belong to the Psittacidae family and are found in tropical and subtropical regions worldwide. What sets them apart is their incredible ability to mimic sounds and human speech, thanks to a unique vocal organ called the syrinx. The most famous of parrots, the African gray, can imitate human speech with astounding accuracy. Furthermore, parrots are highly social creatures, often forming strong bonds with their human companions and fellow parrots. Their omnivorous diet consists of fruits, seeds, nuts, and even insects. With their intelligence, striking appearance, and entertaining personalities, parrots have become beloved pets and are also crucial to ecological balance in their natural habitats.